Hello guys, welcome back. I'm using a Nokia 5.1 and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card. To begin, you'll need a SIM card with contacts on it. Open the Contacts app, tap the bars on the left side, go to Settings, then Manage Contacts. From here you can import from a VCF file or import from SIM. If you log into your Google account, you'll have more options and contacts will sync. Enter your email and password, accept the terms, and your contacts will appear. You can also export contacts to Gmail or as a VCF file. That contact list file can be opened on any other device. That's basically how you manage contacts on this device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.